Cadillac key fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2450 coin cell battery to power remote locking, unlocking, and panic functions. First, locate the seam or release button on your fob, usually on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the two halves apart, being careful not to damage the clips. Once open, note the battery type and orientation. Most Cadillac fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 battery, with the positive side usually facing up. Mismatched batteries can cause failure, so confirm the correct type in your fob's interior or owner's manual. Some newer models might have sealed fobs requiring professional service to avoid warranty issues. Remove the old battery and insert the new one in the same orientation to avoid short circuits. Snap the case back together and test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure your Cadillac responds. While DIY battery replacements are currently common, trends are shifting. Eco-friendly rechargeable batteries and smartphone integration are emerging. Some Cadillac models, like the electric Lyriq, now include fobs with USB-C charging ports. By 2030, digital key systems may eliminate physical batteries altogether. However, for now, understanding how to replace your Cadillac key fob battery remains a valuable skill.